Welcome to the first annual belching contest.
What soda do you got?
I got myself Mountain Dew.
Chug, 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 chug. More.
More, that will do. More, that will do.
Total 5.
I am the second contestant. I have sun-kissed. I will go now.
Boo! Canyon burps.
No burps yet.
When the other contestant had
Not
5.
drinking fast enough.
And the other contestant had 5.
Here it comes, man.
Still no burps. 3 burps. 4. Five.
Wait.
Really?
6. Are you done burping?
Yes.
Okay.
I thought I had no one coming up.
This is.
Here we go.
I'm the third contestant and last contestant for the burping contest. I'm gonna beat you to wins. Not men. You're not men.
She ain't drinking enough. She ain't drinking enough.
What are you doing? You can't
Get
do
the
that.
camera out of my face.
You can't do that, Brian.
Yeah, this party. Brian's not drinking it right now. I chugged it down, Brian. Them know they're gonna do it. They're gonna get no burps.
I don't want them thrown up. Is that good, Burping?
Yeah.
Delete that.